thumbnail dagi budi khangbira mani ngasi ki videos being selfish or being selfless manipuri da haragana pukchel tikpa or pukchel chawba agi thought ni ko mayam de advice pizza banate lotion ning mong de lotion view alna worry se loibo khangmi na gisi mayam ko na flight to momentum da plan crash to bagi movies plan crash to bagi videos so the moments mayam do ningjang yem ko ningjang ga ki do fawe aduda flight attendants na kado flight attendants na ko na ki yo poto hen visualize toraga hen ki haleba like attention passengers, this is the captain speaking. In the event of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will draw from the overhead compartments. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask towards you firmly, place it over your nose and mouth, securing with elastic band and breathe normally. Please ensure to secure your own mask first before helping others in case of any questions. See, last statement, please ensure to secure your own mask before helping others. See, getting selfish or mandra. Shouldn't it be like, go and help the children, women, and then the elders, and then find your own mask, help yourself? Why? I'll be in a position to help others only when I have my needs satisfied, wealth, or even a girlfriend. I'll be able to love someone only when I know what love feels like. I'll be able to give an iPhone only when I have an iPhone. Compassion fatigue, also known as secondary traumatic stress, STS, physical and emotional exhaustion on the adverse toll of caring. Caregiver or care provider who do not have a focus on self-care can have a destructive behavior over time. A little bit of selfishness, which isn't an appropriate word, so a little bit of selfishness at the start of a journey in order to reach a stage where you can be selfless and help the people. Summary ice cream say I'm tuna melt what do? We try to enjoy our ice cream before it melts. We try to eat our ice cream before it melts. Hedonism Hedonism, a human desire to get the pleasure which has a positive importance / personal enjoyment. So enjoy your ice cream before it melts. Point is to make that inner you smile. Again, rainy season, inverter su yod ko ta plastic na pugiba. Lem su yagidab. Or best friend, candle su wax to maichaga saudoga melt or lotion gidra. So what is the difference between an ice cream and a candle? Candle disabe at the ice cream disaba how ice cream ga candle ga kenabas kangmina gisiba. Ice cream theory that you eat it, you enjoy it before it melts, which is an act of selfishness. On the other hand, candle theory that you help others. You help everyone by giving light before you melt, which is an act of selfless. Other ma'am, adom ga khangnabi ma'am do ice cream theory, the candle theory, the karamana hena fit togedo. Kitang check to yo. Thank you.